guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl, Jenny Smile. Thank you all for clicking. Thank you for stopping by today. Yeah, but before I get into this video, I want to really thank my old and new subscribers. Like, you guys are amazing. Thank you for the love, the support, like everything. I appreciate all your love and effort. I'll be telling you guys how I installed this lace frontal. Actually, it's not a new lace wig. Like, I got it November last year for my birthday party, and yes, the hair have been helping since that time. So I really want to show you guys how I install my lace frontal. Okay, like everybody is still learning, yeah, but yeah, let me just show you the way I install my lace frontal. So if you want to see the way I install my lace frontal, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to this channel. Click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Let's get into this video. Let's go. I will be showing you guys how I install my frontal. So yes, I want you guys to sit down, relax. I got this hair from I can't remember where I got this hair from, but I got it from AliExpress, like the company I got the hair from, and I got it, that was last year. Yes, last year for my birthday party, and I got it in 22 inches, and since that time the hair has been helping me. So yes, thank you guys for watching that video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you all on my next one. Bye.